Imagine facing the challenge of not being able to guarantee housing for your students. This was a real concern for Radford University, but they managed to turn things around in a surprising way. In Radford, Virginia, university officials initially feared they wouldn't have enough on-campus housing for the new academic year due to a surge in enrollment. As students prepared to move in over the coming weeks, the administration announced that all students would indeed have a place to stay. Back in April, a letter was sent to students as they were packing up their dorms, warning that on-campus housing might not be guaranteed for returning students. The university suggested looking into off-campus options or joining a wait list for on-campus spots. This was a significant concern, especially for freshmen and those who preferred the convenience of living on campus. But here's where it gets interesting. The root of the problem was actually a success story. Radford University's enrollment had surged, partly due to the Radford Tuition Promise, which offers free in-state tuition to Virginia residents meeting specific financial criteria. This initiative, while incredibly beneficial, led to an unexpected influx of students, putting a strain on the university's housing resources. Danette Gomez-Bean, Radford's Vice President of Enrollment Management and Strategic Communication, explained, "We realized early on that we might not have enough housing to accommodate everyone. We had to inform around 300 students that on-campus housing might not be available. However, as the summer went on, the university took decisive action. They purchased a nearby property to increase their housing capacity, providing an additional 190 beds. This move, combined with the availability of Muse Hall and some renovated spaces set to open in January 2026, allowed the university to accommodate the majority of affected students. We found a solution for about 190 beds, and we were able to house many of those students," Gomez-Bean shared. "Muse Hall is still available if needed, and we have additional housing options that will become available after renovations. For the remaining students who couldn't be housed on campus, the university provided support to help them find suitable off-campus accommodations. Campus leaders are optimistic that this won't be a recurring issue, even as they anticipate another year of robust enrollment. And this is the part most people miss. While the situation was challenging, it highlighted the university's commitment to finding creative solutions to support its growing student body. The success of the Radford Tuition Promise, despite the initial housing concerns, is a testament to the positive impact such initiatives can have on student access and retention. What do you think? Should universities continue to offer financial incentives like the Radford Tuition Promise, even if it means dealing with logistical challenges like housing shortages? Share your thoughts in the comments.